Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
As Crazy does not add a view of any political parties, individuals, or religious group. This show is just for comedy purposes only. It might contain scenes with strong languages, strong satirical humor, links to a relative you might know, and references some may find offensive. If that kind of thing will offend you, because close your browser now and get out of here. Get out of here, man! Shit, I'm saying! Because Najak we there!
Comedians are absolutely insane. That's it.
Nibo, shut up.
Stupid people.
See the useless somebody. When about go and separation fight, in now video, in now say stupid people. Who is the most stupid somebody in this world? Now you wait the record.
Stupid people. Look at them fighting. Osmo, let me record. I'll send it to Insta blog or post it online on YouTube.
This white lady, which one are you doing? You want to come down from train, they are fighting, they roll to the side for you to pass. Instead of you to pass, you stand there, you are doing like this. If you want to separate fight, separate fight. If you want to pass and go, go. Which one is your own? You are just standing there blocking the whole thing. You are doing like this. Separate fight or go. Pick one. Which one are you? Are you confused? Ogini.
Quit the fuck up! Quit it! Quit it!
These girls, they are shawo. They are okpo. Look at them. This one is still tying wrapper. It's like they just finished night duty and they have not gone home. Maybe this one is owing this one 20 euro. And this one say, give me my 20 euro. The thing that I used to collect that 20 euro is hot now. So give me the 20 euro. This one say, no, I don't have 20 euro. That is how the fight starts. This blonde one and that one that tie wrapper, they are together. Then the other girl, sorry, the other girl is on her own. So they want to beat her. That is how this thing starts. But I'm sure all of them, they look like Okpo.
Depends. If you are there, America, you are doing your business. Nobody say me not do your business. You do your business. Do them perfectly well. Do enter the place. Do anywhere. Even if any president or commissioner come, do give them fire and fire. Collect your money. Come and build us for Lagos. Come and build us for Nigeria. Then nobody will not say na they want because fire don't burn and tire. Don't see fire. If you don't need somebody ask you for money, if you no give them, that be I not go blame you. Me, well, I not go blame you like because waiting your thing don't see. Waiting this place you are going through. Either work like Isaac, not this year work. Monday afternoon night. I was just very, very happy because I could not see the front office because if you see it, I know it will be like this. Rest in peace. I know. You know slippers, the way it flat or fried egg. I don't like it. You know, fried egg always see flat. I know that's where the place. It's just a management.
Just fucking quit.
What kind of pants is this? So this is what we call patanla. This is the kind of pants that when you jump from aeroplane, you just pull it and use it as parachute. You will not fall.
You see him? I talk him. You see what she dey drag so? She's dragging a catapult. Sorry, a pant. Because it is a pants. The girl wear a catapult and a pant without her permission. That's why she's dragging it.
You are not dragging her pants well. Drag it well. Yes, two of you.
For evidence. For evidence.
Helfen Sie doch.
No. Police must help her. That's not bad for the police. It's really police.
Warum macht sie das?
Yeah, it's accident.
I didn't know. Police will hear this. So you are recording this tape to give to police. Is that what you are saying, my brother? So the fact that people are fighting and you are recording it to give to police, you are a snitch, Abi? Or you are a witness? You are the best witness any crime can have. So if they are robbing in a bank now, you leave your house, carry your phone, and go there and record them. And you'll be telling them, police must hear this. Police will see this.
This one come, they do like, it be like say you rehearse, they ask Jesus Christ for next year Easter. You don't come, they do like this, they do like, as I like Nigerian men. As Nigerian men they fight. I trust somebody like Toothpick or Lafmayo. They go don't grab her from back. Hold, they go hold and say, no, don't fight, no. Come back, don't fight now, don't fight. That is how to separate fights. I wish I was there. I would have separated this fight. Even when they stop fighting, I will still be separating. I cannot leave you. No. I cannot leave you. No. I cannot leave these soft things. I'm sorry, I cannot leave your soft things. No, I just cannot.
I like the way these two white people, they are blocking the door. They are blocking like, hey, you blonde witch, you will not pass. What about the people fighting inside? Is it your logic? You block this one from going inside and allow the remaining two kill themselves. That is the logic of you German people, Abi.
Oh, madam.
No. Wait.
Your first night to go drag pants. No.
Wait. What are these people are fighting there?
Leave them at this day they are concerned.
Madam, you don't feel pass.
You don't feel pass. The only thing I'll make you pass until you hug me. Hug me like this. Okay, you're not pass. But let me hug you. Wait, no good. Because they want look in your eyes. This one, if you want to tell my go tell my bonsa. No, go and tell your go and tell your family member pass. Nonsense, idiot. Don't come here. The gate of hell has been blocked. So go your house. They block gate of hell for you, idiot. You want to go inside? Must you go? They are blocked everywhere. They say Libya. Oyinbo, you are the try you. You are separating. You are allowing the one that is not fighting. You are blocking the one. The idiot that you are now fighting, leave them. Kill yourself. Oh, HB you want to fight. Kill yourself. It's only the one you can carry your slippers. Your useless slippers that you carry from Nigeria. You don't suffer. You want to come put on for you. Carry on. Come on for you. The idiot, you go pick your slippers like that. One Nigeria do like this. Everywhere you want to fight. Must you fight? Must you have fight?
Polizei, komm mal! Get the fuck out! Polizei auf die Akku. Ja, klar.
You see, this is the kind of behavior that Nigerians exhibit abroad that vexes me. This is the kind of thing that made them to just be denying us visa because we don't behave ourselves abroad. If it's not Nigerian girls going to Italy to do prostitution or everywhere, Spain, and fighting up and down or misbehaving. In the UK, the same thing. South Africa, the same thing. All over the world, the same thing. Dubai, the same thing. This kind of useless behavior is what they know us for. If it's not the boys doing courtism, they will carry courtism from here, carry it abroad, be fighting, shooting and killing themselves. Go to Italy. The other day we saw one video of them fighting. It's one thing or the other. We need to change our ways. You are using your own to spoil good people like us. When we go to apply for visa now, they deny us. The Nigeria passport does not even have any use again. We might as well go and carry ugu and spinach leaf and gum it together and use it to replace the passport. Because when you go to the airport, when they are telling people to line up, people that carry passport, they tell you to shift aside. This is why all the good people, they are running away from this country. This kind of behavior. After that, these same people will come back here and they run for political office. They say too young to run.